श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय। ओम विष्णुपाद जगतगुरु श्रील भक्ति रक्षक श्रीधर देव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। ओम विष्णुपाद श्रील भगवान श्रील भक्ति सिद्धांत सत गोस्वामी ठाकुर प्रभुपाद की जय। रूपानुग गुरुवर्ग की जय। नामाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। वृंद श्री भक्ति देवी की जय। श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड श्री गिरि गोवर्धन की जय। मायापुर धाम नवधाम वृंदावन मथुरा की जय। पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र की जय। बलदेव सुभद्रा जगन्नाथ जी की जय। आकर मठराज चैतन्य मठ की जय। मायापुर जोगोपीठ की जय। श्री चैतन्य सारस्वत मठ की जय। तदीय शाखा मठ समूह की जय। श्रीमठ सेवक वृंद भक्त वृंद की जय। अनंतपुरी वैष्णव वृंद की जय। श्री गौरी आचार्य वृंद की जय। त्रिदंडी पादगण की जय। श्री भक्ति पवन जनार्दन महाराज की जय। श्रीपद संत महाराज मुनि महाराज साधु महाराज की जय। ऑल द सन्यासी वृंद की जय। ऑल द वर्ल्ड डिवोटीज की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। ओके, I am very happy to see you all after 1 week. I am very happy to see you all by the mercy of Gurudev. We are everybody in house, but through technology we can contact to the devotees with association. That is the main things in our spiritual life. That association with Sadhu Sangha, good association, that is the main things in our spiritual life. That is the main things. For that, we have to use ourselves, to engage ourselves for service our Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan. Actually, Bhakta Seva, Sadhu Seva, Bhakta Seva, service to the devotees, that is the main things in our spiritual life. That is the main things in our spiritual life. That what previous Mahajan, even householder devotee, actually for devotees is householder or sannyasi or grihastha or griho tegi, householder or who renuncer, who is, that is not difference, because there everybody is practicing Krishna consciousness. Mahaprabhu's time also, Srivas Pandit, Shivananda Sen, Pundurikakya Vidyanidhi, Rai Ramananda, and so many Sri Advaita Prabhu, they are practicing in the householder life, and they are showing us how they will maintain their householder life. This is the example for us. They will maintain their, not only for enjoying, that house is not for enjoying, not only that house is, you have to, that house is the Krishna's house, is the Vaishnava's house, Guru Varga's house, and that house is for service for the Lord. That's we can use, then that is the main householder life. Mahaprabhu also told Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, he teachings through Raghunath Goswami to us, then Ghare Phire Jao. We read in Chaitanya Charitamrita or Chaitanya Bhagavat, Sthir Hoya Ghare Jao, Nahau Batul, not to be crazy. Krame krame paye log bhavo sindhu kul. This slowly they will reach their goal. Markot boiragya na karo log dekhaiya. Not necessarily showing as a markot boiragya, jathajugya bishay bhunjana shakta hoya, and without attachment you can keep your house, you can keep everything, your jathajugya bishay bhunjo, you can enjoy your life without attachment, without material attachment. Antore nishtha, you can sincere everything in heart, with your heart, and Krishna অচিরাত তোমায় করিবেন উদ্ধার, and Krishna will rescue from that kind of situation. Even that house, the householder life is house is favor of the devotion, then you can be a householder life, no problem. If your house is not favor of devotion, you can reject that house, you can be a sannyasi. That is Sriman Mahaprabhu told that in this way. In this way told that, he told to the householder devotee, ভারত ভূমিতে মনুষ্য জন্ম হইল যার, জন্ম সার্থক করি কর পরই উপকার, নাচো গাও ভক্ত সঙ্গে কর সংকীর্তন, কৃষ্ণ নাম উপদেশী তারো সর্বজন. He told householder devotee that you are born in the Bharat Bhumi in India, and but you have India or anywhere, now all over the world are coming to the Mahaprabhu's life, Mahaprabhu's Krishna consciousness line, and all over it is spreading through our Guru Varga. They are so much preaching all over the world, our Guru Varga preaching all over the world, and they are bringing so many people, Gurudev brought so many people to Krishna consciousness life, Krishna consciousness line, pure devotional life, perfect line, perfect life. They gave their new life. Gurudev gave you new life. Gurudev gave you new life, and that life you are enjoying with service, with bhakta seva, with devotional activities. And Mahaprabhu told, নাচো গাও ভক্ত সঙ্গে করো সংকীর্তন, নাচো গাও ভক্ত সঙ্গে করো, chanting, dancing, and you do sankirtan with devotees, and you will advise to the saint, you will advise to others to chant the holy name. Krishna নাম উপদেশী তারো এ জীবন. That is, and even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, you are doing Nagar Sankirtan, and you also doing the Nagar Sankirtan with the pure devotee, Shuddha Bhakta Sange Nitya Sankirtan. Abhakta Sange Kirtanadi na kara prayojan. With non-devotee, not necessary to the Sankirtan. গৃহস্থ সকল কার্যে ঈশ্বরের উপর নির্ভর করিবেন. গৃহস্থ হল the householder devotee, everything he will depend upon to the Lord. He will depend, everything is going on, everything is happening, everything will be happen, it depends upon the Lord. শুনুমতা ঈশ্বরের অধীন সংসার, it is Mahaprabhu told, and স্বতন্ত্র হইতে শক্তি নাহিক কাহার. এই যে বলছেন, গৃহস্থ বৈষ্ণব always will be careful with bad association, with some অসৎ সঙ্গ ত্যাগ, এক বৈষ্ণব আচার, স্ত্রী সঙ্গী এক অসাধু কৃষ্ণ ভক্ত হার. And Nityananda Prabhu also teaching like this way. You know that Sriman Nityananda Prabhu, Chaitanya Bhagavat, you will get it, that verse. When the dacoits attacked Nityananda Prabhu's house, and dacoits 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, they failure, so many causes, they cannot go inside to Nityananda Prabhu. After that, the dacoits leader became the blind. After that, he surrendered to the Nityananda Prabhu's, and that Brahmin, he told, শুনদিজ যতক পাতক কইল তুই, আর যদি না করিস সব নিমুমুই, পরহিংসা ডাকাচুরি সব অনচার, ছাড়ো গিয়া ইহা তুমি না করিও আর. He told to the dacoits not to be jealousy to others, not to be dacoits, not to stealing other things, and you left everything, and you sang the holy name, and you bring all the dacoits to you, you call all dacoits, you tell to all dacoits, and you will tell them, send the holy name, and they leave their bad habit, like when they are still stealing, dacoit, everything. That is Nityananda who told to the dacoits leader, who is the ring leader. In this way, In this way, দেহ ত্যাগাদি যত সব তম ধর্ম, that is, who is the pure devotee, he will with angry, he will not leave his body. That is, Mahaprabhu told Sanatana Goswami. He wanted to suicide that time in chariot, and that time Mahaprabhu told that. And another thing also told, যে ধর্মাচার সম্বন্ধে বৈষ্ণব স্মার্তবাদে ভেদ নাই। বলছেন অধম জনের যে আচার যেন ধর্ম অধিকারী বৈষ্ণব করে সেই কর্ম, কৃষ্ণ কৃপায় সেইয়া জানিবারে পরে, এই সব সংকটে কেহ মরে কেহ তরে। মিন্স বৈষ্ণবের heart of the devotees and sincerity is different from the others. There are, if somebody is a smartavadi, they cannot understand what is the heart of the Vaishnava. They cannot give respect to the Vaishnava. They do not know how to behave with the Vaishnava. They do not know. And Prabhu again told, যে কৃষ্ণ সেবা বৈষ্ণব সেবন নিরন্তর করো কৃষ্ণ নাম সংকীর্তন। কৃষ্ণ সেবা, if you have deities, you have altar, you cooking, you making garland, you making tulsi seba, that is all is a different kinds of Krishna seba. Guru seba, Vaishnava seba, everything, Vaishnava seba nirantar karo. And when you are working, you chanting the holy name. Prasadam time, cooking time, cutting the vegetables times, always chanting the holy name. Nirantar karo, nirantar. Not stopping, without stopping the Krishna son. Mahaprabhu told, okay, Mahaprabhu told another things also. When you invite to the Vaishnava, if you can give respect to the Vaishnava, if you can do proper service to the Vaishnavas, then you will invite them. If you invite 1,000 people, you cannot take care of them, that is offense will come. That is also Mahaprabhu told. For that, another things also telling, Mahaprabhu told about the caste and creed. নিচ জাতির নহে কৃষ্ণ ভজনে অযোগ্য। Who is the lower caste? Who is coming from the Melechha family? Who is coming from the bad family? He is not. He is also fit for the worshipping to the Lord. He is also have quality for chanting to the Lord. He has right to the chanting the holy name. Even Brahmin telling, oh, I am Brahmin, he is coming from the other Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, they will coming from the other families, they cannot chant the holy name. No, it is very bad. Mahaprabhu told no. Mahaprabhu told no. Even who is the Brahmin, maybe he is not fit for the worshipping to the Lord. Because he has no quality, he has no sincerity, he has no heart, he cannot live, he could not live the bad quality. Ahar nidra bhaya moithunancho, he cannot live attahar prayarcha prajalpani niyamaga janasangancho, he cannot live duto pano striyo shuna, he could not live. He could not live. যেই ভজে সেই বড় অভক্তহীন ছাড়ো, কৃষ্ণ ভজনে নাহি জাতি কুলাদি বিচার। যে কৃষ্ণ ভজন যেই ভজে সেই বড় অভক্তহীন দিন ছাড়ো, কৃষ্ণ ভজনে নাহি, there is no caste. Who can worshipping? কিবা বিপ্র কিবা নেই, সে শুদ্ধে কেন নেয়? যেই কৃষ্ণ তত্ত্ববেত্তা সে, who can be a guru? Not necessary caste, who can came from the other caste, who can came from this, no, who has quality and qualification and who got proper guidance to the bona fide guru. He can be a guru. Who can be a proper disciple? He can be a guru. Chaitanya Chandra Mahaprabhu told, Sannasi Panditganer Korite Garbonash. They are very proud. I am Sannasi. I am big scholar. I am coming from that caste. And Mahaprabhu, he is making arrangement to spreading Krishna consciousness through the lower class people. Like Raya Ramananda, Mahaprabhu heard Krishna Katha from Raya Ramananda. He is not coming from the Brahmin family. He is coming from the Shudra family. But Mahaprabhu spreading, Mahaprabhu listen Hari Katha, Krishna Katha from the Raya Ramananda. Because they are Brahmin, a scholar Pandit, they are thinking we know everything. We are very educated. We are very coming from the Brahmin family for that. And Mahaprabhu told also Chaitanya Bhagavate, what is offering to me, not necessarily so many opulent things to me. Mahaprabhu told Grihastha Vaishnava what he is getting easily, like shar, like some vegetables, like some what is easily getting. If you offering, I am very happy with taking that. Mahaprabhu told that. The Sabha hoite bhagyabanta Sri Shaka Vyanjan puno puno jaha Prabhu kareno grohan. Take and all time Mahaprabhu is taking that. Not so many opulent things like paneer, like pantwa, like birat big things, nothing. Namane Chaitanya Pad Bolayo Vaishnav Shivere Amanyo Kore Bertotar Sab. Bolts Esmarta Sampradaya যে সকল দেবতা পূজিত হন, Mahaprabhu told who is Esmarta Sampradaya, they are worshipping some demigods, not to disrespect to them. All the demigods you will respect also them. সংখ্যা নাম হইতে যে স্থানে প্রভু বইসে তথাই রাখেন তুলসী রে প্রভু পাশে. When Mahaprabhu is chanting holy name, he always keeping the Tulsi beside him. তুলসী রে দেখেন জপেন সংখ্যা নাম, এই ভক্তি যোগের তত্ত্ব কে ভুজিবে আন. When he is saying with eyes the Tulsi and more chanting the holy name, he is getting more enthusiasm, more energy to chant the holy name. And ব্যয় না করেও কিছু রাজ্যের মূলধন রাজার মূলধন দিয়া কিছু লভ্য হয় ভক্তি শূন্য means গৃহস্থ ভক্তিমান who is the householder devotee, he will accept the proper guru, he will accept the guidance of proper Vaishnava, accept guidance from the proper Vaishnava, and you will always careful. Always the householder devotee or everybody will be careful through Vaishnava aparat. Vaishnavar prati aparat. Yeah, Grihastha Vaishnavgণ will be careful. যে বৈষ্ণব স্থানে অপরাধ হয় যার পুনঃ সে ক্ষমিলে সে ঘুচে নহে আর. You will make offense any Vaishnav, you have to give forgiveness to that Vaishnav. বৈষ্ণবের শেষ ভক্ষণের এতেক মহিমা, কালিদাসে খাওয়া পাওয়া হইল প্রভুর কৃপা সীমা. শ্রীমদ্ ভাগবত একাদশ স্কন্ধে কৃষ্ণ বলিয়াছেন जात श्रद्धो मत कथासु निर्विघ्न सत्कर्मासु। वेद दुःखोत्तरं काम्यानां परित्यागस्य परिश्रय कथा तत भुजितं मं प्रीत श्रद्धालु निश्चयं जगमानसं कामनां दुःखच्च गणहनं। गृहस्थ व्यक्ति always Grihastha Bhakti, his devotion will not come until devotion will not come, and he cannot leave his previous karma. He is always thinking স্বভাব জনিত কাম ভোগস্তু না ভোগ না ঘোচে। He always want to enjoy, always thinking of material things. If proper devotion is coming, proper thinking is coming, he will thinking for his Guru, he will thinking for the Lord, he will thinking for his worshipable Lord. গৃহস্থপতি যত শ্রদ্ধ হইলেই শ্রীকৃষ্ণ দীক্ষা করিবেন। শ্রদ্ধাবান জন হয় ভক্তি অধিকারী, উত্তম মধ্যম কনিষ্ঠ শ্রদ্ধা অনুসারী। শ্রদ্ধা অনুসারে ডিপেন্ড আপন দা ফেইথ। কনিষ্ঠ অধিকারী, মধ্যম অধিকারী, উত্তম অধিকারী। Depend, that devotion is coming depends upon faith. Depends upon faith. And all the devotees will follow what Mahaprabhu is gone, Mahaprabhu's Parshad, Mahaprabhu's associate, the Grihastha devotee. They will read their character, they will read their life history. Sri Rai Ramananda, Pundari Vidyanidhi, Srivas Pandit, Shivananda Sen, Satraj Khan, Advaita Prabhu, how they maintain their family, how they are practicing their Krishna consciousness life. They will read, everybody will have to read their pastimes and see how their lifestyle they are doing. They did. Even our Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur also. Even Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur also. জীবিকা নির্ভর প্রকারভেদী কর্মে গৃহস্থ গৃহ ত্যাগের ভেদ। ভক্তের পক্ষে গৃহ যদি ভজনের অনুকূল হয়, that's I told before. গৃহ যদি your house is for of devotion, not necessary to reject to the house, not to leave the house. If not favor of that house is not favor of the devotion, then you can leave the house. You can be a sannyasi. For in this way, Srivas Pandit never left his house. গৃহ ত্যাগ করিলেন না। For that when Raghunath Goswami again came, ভালো কইল বৈরাগীর ধর্ম আচরিল, বৈরাগী করিবে সদা নাম সংকীর্তন। He told Raghunath Goswami about Raghunath Goswami. Bhalo hoilo. It's good. Very nice. He left everything. First I told him go to your house. Now his house is not favored for practicing Krishna consciousness. Raghunath Goswami's house is not favored for Krishna consciousness. Because so much problem in their house. Further Raghunath Goswami, Mahaprabhu arranged something, and Das Goswami Prabhu came and meet with Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu accept his service and give to the engaged to service for Swarup Damodar. And Mahaprabhu told him, give me advice. Bhalo hoilo, boiragi dharma acharilo. Boiragi, what will do? Always Nam Sankirtan. How will how will how he will maintain their his life? Magiya khaibe, going to door begging. And he told, বৈরাগী হইয়া করে জিহ্বার লালস, পরমার্থ যায় আর হয় রসের বশ. If he is following his tongue, if বৈরাগী is following his tongue, his পরমার্থ will be finished. জিহ্বার লালসে যে ইতি উতি ধায়, শেষমদর পরায়ণ সেই কৃষ্ণ নাহি পায়. গ্রাম্য কথা না শুনিবে, গ্রাম্য বার্তা না কহিবে, ভালো না খাইবে, ভালো না পড়িবে, মানুষের রাধা কৃষ্ণের সেবা করিবে, অমানি মানদ হইয়া কৃষ্ণ নাম সদা লবে, যে রাধা কৃষ্ণের সেবা মানুষে করিবে. অর্থাৎ give respect, be humble, tolerance and give honor to others. In this way you will maintain your life and you will chant the holy name. Here is writing, সাধুবৃত্তি সন্ন্যাসীর ধর্ম নহে, সন্ন্যাস করিয়া নিজ জন্মস্থানে রহে কুটুম্ব লহিয়া. সন্ন্যাসীর ধর্ম নয়, you take the sannyas and you are staying with your relatives. It is not good. Your birthplace cannot stay with your relatives. Mahabhu told, বিরক্ত সন্ন্যাসী আমার রাজদর্শন. I do not want to meet with such a wrong King Prataprudra. Because Mahabhu told, I am the sannyasi, virakta sannyasi, I am always annoyed, do not want to see anybody. And if I meet with Prataprudra, it is like I am meet with one lady. And I am taking to the poison. That is Mahabhu told. Shukla basre mosibindu jaise na lukaye, সন্ন্যাসীর অল্প ছিদ্র সর্বলোকে গায়. প্রভু কহে পূর্ণ জয়ছে দুগ্ধের কলস, সুরাবিন্দু পাতে কেহ না করে পরশ. শুক্ল বর্ষে মসিবিন্দু means is the white color and put some black spot. It is very bad. Sannyasi is very always clear, and if some black spot, it is very bad for his life. And Mahabhu told to whom? Mahabhu told who is the Margot Bairagi, Kapat Bairagi. Mahabhu told to whom? Mahabhu told Chota Haridas. প্রভু কয় বৈরাগী করে প্রকৃত সম্ভাষণ, দেখিতে না পারো আমি তাহার বদন, দুর্বার ইন্দ্রিয় করে বিষয় গ্রহণ, দারু প্রকৃত করে মনোরূপী মন. প্রভু কয় বৈরাগী করে প্রকৃত সম্ভাষণ, যে ইউ আর ব্রহ্মচারী, you are going to take something and you are seeing the ladies, because Haridas bring some rice from home. Madhavi Devi, from Madhavi Devi he brought some rice, and Mahabhu does not like him and teaching him, I do not want to see your face. দেখিতে না পারো আমি তাহারও বদন, I do not want to see your face. প্রভু কয় মোর বশ নহে মোর মন. প্রভু told, I cannot control my mind. I cannot control my mind. গৃহস্থ হইয়া নহে রায় সরবর্গের বসে, বিষয়ী হইয়া সন্ন্যাসীর এই উপদেশে. But Rai Ramanand is গৃহস্থ, but I am sannyasi. But why I am taking advice from Rai Ramananda? Because he is grihastha, but some kind of disease, he is free from that disease. For that, his Saravarga cannot control him. Sixfold cannot control him. For that I am, and he is the sannyas, he is the householder, but he is advising to the sannyas. গৃহস্থ হইয়া রয় সরবর্গের বসে, বিষয় হইয়া সন্ন্যাসীর উপদেশ. বিষয়ের অন্ন খাইলে মলিন হয় মন, মলিন মনে না হয় কৃষ্ণ নাম গ্রহণ। বিষয়ের অন্ন হয় রাজস্ব নিমন্ত্রণ, দাতা ভোক্তা দুয়ার মলিন হয় মন। অযাচক বৃত্তি, অযাচক বৃত্তি, because Raghunath Goswami was standing for some food, prasad from Jagannath, prasad, and Prabhu told bhalo, and when he is thinking, and Mahaprabhu does not like it, and Prabhu told bhalo koilo, he left that lion gate, that is Singodar in the Jagannath Mandir temple gate, and Singodare Bhikkhavitti, it is the character of the prostitute, Vesharacha. Raghunath Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami was standing for some people are bringing prasadam, and he is thinking, oh, if I is standing here, they will be thinking I am poor, they will give something to me. And that is not good. গৃহ থেকে বৈষ্ণব মঠে আখড়া ইত্যাদি করিবেন না, তাহাতে গৃহ ব্যাপারাদি হইয়া পড়ে। তার গোবর্ধন শিলা পূজায় সেবাদে চিন্তা করা উচিত। এক কুবজা জল আর তুলসী মঞ্জুরি সাত্বিক সেবাই শুদ্ধভাবে করি। গঙ্গা জল and তুলসী মঞ্জুরি, in this way you have to serve. আর সনাতনের চরিত্রই জলছ। When Sanatan went to meet in the Kashi Mishra Sahaj with Mahaprabhu, and that time Sanatan told, why I will stay in this house and why I will take their foods, take the prasad. I will go and beg door to door. That is Sanatan's see. তাহা তো পূর্বর উপদেশ, তিন মুদ্রার ভোট গায়, মাধু করি গ্রাস, ধর্ম হানি হয়, লোকে করে উপহাস। He told, he is going to beg and begging. He is begging door to door, and he is wearing his expensive blanket. and people are criticizing. It is not good. After that, Sanatan left that blanket. You know that. And Brahmananda Bharati on time. Brahmananda Bharati also on time. Brahmananda পড়িয়াছে মৃগ চর্মা পর, তাহা দেখি প্রভুর দুঃখ পাইলাম অন্তর। And Brahmananda Bharati came, and Mahaprabhu is Keshav Bharati. He is the sannyas from Keshav Bharati, and he is that group sannyasi. And Brahmananda Mahaprabhu respect too much to Brahmananda Bharati. And somebody told, Brahmananda Bharati came, and he is wearing his, what is that called? Leather of the lion, leather of the deer, charma, mirgo charmambar. He is wearing the leather of the deer. And Mahaprabhu is, I never see, where is Brahmananda Bharati? Where is Brahmananda Bharati? And somebody told, he is Brahmananda Bharati. And Mahaprabhu told, where he will wear that? While he is wear that this. Why he will wear that kind of cloth? Yes, Maharaj. Dandavad. Sripad Shanta Maharaj, how are you? Dandavad.
Doing well by your grace, Maharaj.
Today I am reading to the.
Very nice.
Maharaj.
Yes.
Acharya Maharaj.
Yes.
I can tell them something in Spanish of what you were saying.
Okay. Okay.
Acharya Marsh daba varios ejemplos. Dio el ejemplo de Chota Haridas, que había pedido arroz de Madhavi Devi, aunque ella era muy vieja y era una buena Vaishnavi, pero Mahaprabhu no le gustaba que una persona renunciada estaría pidiendo algo de una mujer, y por eso no aceptaba la asociación de Haridas, Chota Haridas. Después de eso, ese es un ejemplo que dio Acharya Marsh. Se puede expandir, pero estoy tratando de ser breve. Después dio el ejemplo de Raghunath Das Goswami, que estaba pidiendo limosna en las afueras de Jagannath Temple, en el gate. ¿Sí? Y él estaba pensando, esa persona me va a dar, esa persona pasó, esa persona viene que me va a dar. Y después Raghunath pensaba que ese es el comportamiento de una prostituta, que por eso no le gustaba. ¿Y qué era el otro? Y Sanatana Goswami, que cuando pasaba en el rumbo, después de salir de la cárcel, encontró con su cuñado y le dio una cobija valiosa, y Mahaprabhu continuamente veía esa cobija, y Sanatana Goswami entendió que Mahaprabhu no le gustaba y cambió eso para una muy vieja y rota de un Vaishnava. Bueno, esos fueron los ejemplos que daba Acharya Marsh.
Prabhupada, another thing, Sannyasi told in Adhikar one time, on the Govindo is telling, Jagananda Pandit telling to Govindo, you are everyday messaging to Mahaprabhu's feet, and what you are using? He told, I am not using anything. Mahaprabhu does not like anything. But Govinda does not listen, and Govinda bringing the oil, and Mahaprabhu is getting the smell from that oil in the house, and Mahaprabhu told, who bring that? Jagananda Pandit. And Mahaprabhu told that he wants to be, I want to be the householder, and I can enjoy with him. and because I have no right to use that smell oil to my body. For that, when hurt Jagananda Pandit, he broken the oil pot, and angry too much, and going into his house. That is, you can read from the Prema Vaivarta. Prema Vaivarta, you can read from there. And Mahaprabhu is showing also his life. The scholar Sarolate Shayan, Mahaprabhu told, and Jagananda Pandit told, I know who are you, why you are sleeping in the floor, but maybe cold will come, and Jagananda cannot tolerate that, and Jagananda knows he will not, and using the pillow, cotton pillow or some mattress, he will not use anything. For that, and he making some on cloth and making color with cloth and color, and inside with the cotton banana leaves, and he is drying, and after the drying the banana leaves one by one is putting inside, and then soft, and Mahaprabhu, Jagananda Pandit gave to Govinda and for using Mahaprabhu, and Mahaprabhu have to accept it, because he told, I am sleeping in the banana leaves. Then Jagananda Pandit told, yes, I am bringing the banana leaves. I am bringing the banana leaves. Prabhu Kahan, Prabhu, when he saw that he bringing the some pastime, he bringing the cotton pillow. Mahaprabhu, okay, you can bring on bed also for me. Big a bed also for me. আমারে খাট তুলসী বালিশ মস্তক মুন্ডন সন্ন্যাসী মানুষ আমার ভূমিতে শয়ন আর সন্ন্যাসী আই এম সন্ন্যাসী আই হ্যাভ টু লিভ ইন দ্য ground floor, but you are bringing some cotton pillow, cotton everything. I cannot accept it. In this way, Jagananda Pandit bringing this kind of things. গিরিয়ুদ্ধগিরি আহার বিষয়ে প্রভু বলিয়াছেন. On time, Ramchandra Puri and Ramchandra Puri is Ramchandra Puri is when Sarvam Bhattacharya's house, Mahaprabhu taking prasadam, mother of Sati, Sarvam Bhattacharya's wife, he is making so many opulence prasadam for Mahaprabhu, offering the bhog and giving, and he is sitting there. And Ramchandra Puri is went, oh, Sannyasi is too much eating, like that. And Mahaprabhu told, yes, that is, he is telling correct. I should not take so many items. I should take 1 or 2 items. That is necessary. Jyoti hoya jibbar lampotto ottanto annay. I am sadhu, and we are always following our tongue. It is not good for us. Pran jyotir dharma pran rakhite ahar matro khaye. Pran rakhite, it is necessary to keep life. Then what is necessary for our stomach, little bit can take, not so much. Anukalpa. That is necessary. In this way, Mahaprabhu is teaching. And okay, next Sunday we will tell about Raya Ramananda's teachings. Raya Ramananda is talking with Pradyumna Mishra, and Raya Ramananda also. Mahaprabhu talking with Raya Ramananda is Godavari, in the bank of Godavari. We will, next Sunday, we will discuss with about that. What is the message of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and what for we have to practice, and what is necessary in your spiritual life, what is the main things in your spiritual life. That is main things, not so many things. Vaishnav Seva, Nam Sankirtan. Understand? Nam Sankirtan and Vaishnav Seva. That is the householder devotee will. Now is the lockdown period, quarantine time. Everybody will serve each other. Everybody will think for Gurudev's life, all the devotees' life, and all the example of our Gurudevs, Guru Varga, how they are doing, how they are passing their life. Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, Bhakti Saraswati Thakur, our Param Gurudev, Bhakti Rakha Siddhadev Goswami Maharaj, our Gurudev, Bhakti Govinda Goswami Maharaj, how the life style they are doing, how they are practicing Krishna consciousness, how they are thinking for the giving love and affection to each other, how they are giving respect to each other, how they are giving proper proper etiquette, proper guidance for the devotees. In this way, we have to learn everything. Any other question from you? Who is there in the line today? Rabindra Krishna have? Too much late today. Dandavad.
Tengo 2 preguntas, una por una.
Okay.
La primera, si una devita sí puede cantar en el Harinaman Sankirtan. Una Didi puede cantar en el Harinaman Sankirtan.
Y la segunda,
What is the Harinam Sankirtan?
there is one lady can lead the kirtan in Nagasaki Kirtan.
Okay, can do, but can do. But if any sannyasi is there, sannyasi must lead there.
Y la segunda es, si una devota tiene la luna, ¿qué es lo que no debe de hacer para no cometer ofensas?
¿Qué se refiere a la
Chaitanya
luna?
Mahaprabhu, when Jameshwar Tota in Puri, Dham he and one lady was singing, and he does not understand who is singing, one lady or thinking he is running there, and Govinda catch him, and Mahaprabhu told, today you saved me. And for that, for sannyasi, not to, yes, scripture told, not for sannyasi, not to listen the ladies who is singing. But when everybody is singing together, that is different things. But is sacred place on sannyasi will listen only on ladies kirtan, that is not good. Understand?
The asking is one lady will have this ladies' day.
Dado Maharaj, ¿nos puede traducir, por favor?
If ladies' day coming, if no other way, they can do service. Otherwise, who will cook for the deities? Better than not to give fasting to the deities. Make cooking for the deities. No problem. If no have somebody there.
Si la Shayamala está hablando acerca de circunstanciales, cosas circunstanciales. Si no hay nadie que cante, en referencia al canto, pudiera hacerlo una devota, pero generalmente se espera que si está una personalidad presente, un sanyasi o alguna personalidad presente, esa persona debe hacerlo. En el caso de un sanyasi tampoco debería escuchar la voz de una mujer cantando, ni tampoco en privado, eso no es bueno para su vida. Y en el caso el otro caso para las devotas, si existe la circunstancia de que más nadie pueda hacerlo, se podría hacer, pero siempre debe evitarse los servicios.
Dandavad.
Mire, una cosa. En nuestros templos hay mujeres que incluso son líderes en varios templos. Y no debemos hacer esa discriminación, que una mujer no puede cantar, una mujer no puede hacer eso. Si esa es la situación, que estamos en el templo, yo no veo ninguna razón por la cual una mujer no puede cantar, una mujer no puede hacer eso. Maharaj está hablando en el caso de que hay sannyasis o líderes que son brahmacharis o sannyasis, eso es otra cosa. Pero si estamos en un templo y hay devotos mayores que pueden hacer cosas, ¿por qué les vamos a prohibir de cantar o de dar conferencias o cosas así?
Can you tell in English, Maharaj? Maharaj?
Maharaj, I was telling that person, in many of our temples, some of our temples, the leader of the temple is a lady. Like in the case of in Mexico, Madhu Chanda and other persons, sometimes the leader is a lady. Now, in those cases, when the oldest devotee or the most senior devotee is a lady, she can do things.
Okay. No problem.
But, yeah. Now it's a little different if we have leaders who are sannyasis or brahmacharis, and then they should lead the kirtan. But in some cases, we're not discriminating against ladies.
Yes, of course.
Eso es lo que les dije. Que la mujer a veces es el líder y es la persona más madura en el templo. Ella puede dar una conferencia o ella puede conducir un kirtan.
This is
Ishani.
Ishani. Who is that?
Hariananda, Spain. Spain, Hariananda.
Spain, Hariananda.
Mhm.
Oh, Hariananda. Dandavad. And this is
Acharya Ratna.
Acharya Ratna. This is
Dayal Dasan.
huh?
Dayal Das. Dayal Govind.
Dayal Govind. From where? Colombia. Okay. Who is sitting here?
Ramanuja.
Huh?
Saya Maharason.
Upstairs.
No, de Saya Maharason.
Oh,
Ramanuja, Saya
now sleeping.
No, they're sitting in the hall.
Okay.
Ananda Krishna.
Not so many people.
No, because there is Sunday program. They are doing kitchen, garlands, many things.
Okay.
Raghu Maharaj,
Hmm?
Acharya, we have a question.
Hmm.
Uh,
You know London? No anybody? No Singapore?
Yes, but we can.
Manjari Didi, si no estoy mal.
Hmm.
Chao Maharaj, si tú puedes traducirlo para que el Acharya nos escuche mejor. Dice que cuál es la diferencia. En el Brahma Sanjita se habla acerca de Gokula and Goloka, que cuál es la diferencia y las similitudes, que si la Acharya puede mencionar un poco de esto.
That in the Brahma Samhita, there is writing about Gokula and Goloka. What is the difference between these two?
Gokul and Goloka. Gokul is Gokul and Goloka is Goloka. Gokul and Goloka what? Goloka is Vrindavan. This Gokul is here. Krishna's pastimes is Gokul, is Bhauma Vrindavan. And Goloka Vrindavan is, you know that, Tal, Atal, Rasatal, Mahatal, after that is the Goloka Vrindavan. After, above. Highest place is Goloka Vrindavan.
Entonces me está diciendo que Gokula es lo que conocemos como Vama Brindavan, como los pasatiempos manifiestos de Brindavan, y Gokula es la morada trascendental o el lugar más elevado dentro de la creación, la morada de Krishna.
Gokul and Goloka is not same.
Pero ambos no son lo mismo. No sé cómo verlo.
Pranava Pranam Acharya Deva.
Yes.
I am Hriday Bharava. I'm from Peru, living in Brazil.
Mm.
I have a question.
Mm.
I speak Spanish con Sadhu Maharaj.
Okay.
Traduz. Se dice en las escrituras que Srila Nityananda Prabhu es el guru, ¿no? Que al comienzo uno ve al guru como Krishna mismo, también se dice, ¿no? Y que después en la etapa más profunda uno ve al guru como Srimati Radharani. Entonces mi pregunta sería, tanto Radharani cuanto Nityananda Prabhu son diferentes, ¿no? Se dice que los dos son gurus, ¿no? Entonces, ¿cómo sería? ¿Quién es el guru en realidad? ¿Los dos son gurus, tanto Srimati Radharani cuanto Nityananda Prabhu? Porque son diferentes,
He
¿no?
asking the question, one way is Gurudev is Srimati Radharani, another way is Guru is Nityananda. What is the difference?
Yes, that is his question. We are looking.
That is, Jijatamang Prapaddante Tang Estute Bhajanmamo Mamo Vartanu Vartante Manusya Partha Sarvasya Shanto Dasya Soikho Vasalya Madhur Ras. Understand that? Dasya Ras, Soikho Ras. That is, Krishna Balaram is Soikho Ras, Gaurunita is Soikho Ras. And another way, there is a Nityananda Prabhu is the master. Nityananda Prabhu is the boss. Nityananda Prabhu is the controller. Everything in this world, controlling everything. He is the Asray Vigraha. In this way, Guru is Nityananda Prabhu. Because we are taking shelter to the Gurudev. In this way, Guru is Nityananda Prabhu. And very highest position is Gurudev is Srimati Radharani. I told many times, it is Premier Guru. It is Paramore love. He is the Radharani is the Guru of the Paramore love. That is his position is there. That way, that place is Srimati Radharani is the Gurudev is Srimati Radharani, and in this way, Madhur Rasu is the Gurudev is Srimati Radharani, and Shaikyaras, that is Gurudev is Nityananda Prabhu.
Maharaj,
¿Sí?
I have a question
Mm.
about Guru Tattva. Generally, it is being told that there is no difference between Diksha and Shiksha Guru. But Srila Siddhar Maharaj told our Sampradaya is Shiksha Sampradaya.
Of course.
So, why it is told like that?
Our Sampradaya is Shiksha Sampradaya. Shikha Guru. Shikha Guru, Diksha Guru can be on, Shiksha Guru can be many. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told same. Shiksha Guru can be many, but Diksha Guru can be only alone, on.
Thank you, Maharaj.
Who is this?
Escuchando.
Madhusanga. Where? Colombia. Spain. No, today is not that Singapore people, huh? Not came.
Chaitanya had made very nice arrangement for video recording. Chaitanya made nice technology for video recording with the mobile phone. In the clips.
Who is here? Line.
This is Brazil, Goranga.
Gauranga!
Yes, Gurudev, Dhanyavad.
How are you?
Fine. Very glad to be with you once again.
Amalendu is the line. Kundalata is the line.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So many Russian devotees are together. Okay. So many devotees are together today. Oh, how are you? No following the quarantine. Social distance. Everybody together. Pandita is there.
Chilacharya Dev, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Who is there?
Jayanti.
Jayanti, yes, I'm okay. Oh, Amalendu is here. Amalendu and Gaurangi. Dandavad, Dandavad. Okay. Yes, everybody are here, very happy. Dandavad. Very nice to meet you. Gauranga is there. Balaram where?
Yeah. Dandavad.
Russia, Balaram. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Today again India declared more 14 days lockdown. 31st of May.
London lockdown is over, I think, from tomorrow.
Eh?
London, they are going for job.
They are going for SARS.
Job.
Oh.
Doing the London, I think, open.
Mm.
Well, some easing happened last week.
They are starting working, huh?
Little bit slowly.
America? Pitambar Prabhu. How are you, Pitambar?
Good, happy to see you.
Where are you now? In Sokel?
Yes, I'm in Sokel with Srila Janaran Maharaj.
Okay.
I've been here for 2
Gracias.
months now.
Gracias.
Gracias to you.
Okay, very nice.
You are in Navadip or Kolkata?
I am Kolkata Damdam Park.
Okay. Hope to can be able to go soon.
Yes, I am always going Navadip. Sometimes going. Last times going. Again I am going. I am sometimes going out from my room. I cannot stay on place. It is very difficult for me.
Ticket booking is opening for the trains on 23rd. Are we booking tickets for Puri?
And for this year Ratha Jatra, I arranged 300 tickets to go. And all last year also went 400, 500. I think so this year also will go, but government not allow, all ticket cancel.
Opening, I heard, Mara, they are opening on 23rd again. Puri, I'm not sure whether they will allow to Puri.
No allow. They already told 30th of June all train close. They will not allow. Who is that? Jayanti. Lakshmikanti is here. Lakshmikanti. I saw Lakshmikanti is here. What is the London time now? What time London?
4:40 p.m.
4:40 p.m. Okay. When is the evening Aruti?
6 p.m.
6 p.m. Oh. Oh. Good. You are in the temple?
Myself, no, at the moment I am in my little flat. Near to the temple.
Okay, good. Good. What is that?
Shall I start today?
Yes.
What will happen with Ratha Yatra? Do you know?
Ratha Yatra will happen. They are making the chariot, but people cannot gathering. Yes.
This is Krishna Das from Monterrey.
Ukraine.
Monterrey, México.
Monterrey.
Yes, Mexico.
Mexico, yes. Tell me.
Just curious, I don't know how to say this question, but is not having Ratayata the way it is asked for the world?
What are you talking?
No se escucha.
Somehow?
No, no, no.
No.
No se entiende.
Sí, lo voy a decir en español. Sí, que no haya Ratayata va a afectar al mundo de alguna manera o que no haya Ratayata como que será.
If that thing that it is not Ratayatra this year is affecting to the world. Some way.
Affecting the words.
World, the whole people.
That only Krishna knows it. It is his arranging. It's Jagannath arranging that things. It is not our hand. We are controlled by him. The Rath Yatra will happen. No one can stop him. Jagannath and Subhadra Baladev will go to the Gundicha. But devotee cannot join properly. Devotee cannot join properly. For that it is, what is happening, everything is arranging by the Lord. By the Lord he is arranging by the Absolute. It is arranging by the Absolute. He is doing everything. For that it is will bad or worse, that is, who knows it? Only Krishna knows it, Jagannath knows it. This boy from New York. Mutranath? Krishna Keshav. Krishna Keshav. Dandavad. Who is talking? On baby. Who is baby? What is your name?
Dandavad.
Huh? Dandavad.
Dandavad Maharaj.
Who is
Deva Priya. He's my son. And she's crying. He's crying because can't say Dandavad to the devotees.
Okay, Dandavad, very nice. How old is he? How old?
We live in Chile now.
Huh?
We live in Chile now.
Chile, okay.
Yeah. And now take association with Vandana Didi and by Zoom with Karnika and Vaishnava. They're reading some books and I take some association.
Good. Dandavad. Yes.
One say Dandavad.
Very nice. Dandavad. Krishna Keshav.
Yes, Maharaj.
How is New York City?
New York is, I think, still pretty bad. I'm living in New Jersey and they're starting to go to work again.
Very careful.
Yeah.
Very careful with this.
Maharaj, my one question is, if it's possible to hear some of the pastimes that you remember with Sripad Santosh Krishna Prabhu.
Huh?
If we're able to hear of any of the past of the service activities of Sripad Santosh Krishna Prabhu.
Yes, I wrote that, yes. Yesterday was his disappearance festival. He is very good devotee. Gurudev likes him and Gurudev gave him to me. But the Krishna's wills, because he told always that I cannot do so much service because Maya is always attacking and I do not want to stay in this world. And Krishna take him. Maybe Gurudev take him near to him. What question? Any other question?
Yes, Hariananda.
Hariananda.
Hariananda, puedes hacer la pregunta en micrófono si quieres. No se escucha.
Lakshmikanti. How are you?
I'm good. Happy to see you.
Your health is good?
My health is very good.
You are going working? No.
No, they sent me a letter. I'm supposed to go back in half of July.
July. You
July.
are
14th of July.
You are teaching in school?
No, I work in the
Okay.
hospital, in the coffee job in the hospital.
Yes.
But hospital is minimum staff, so they told me go home.
And hospital is very dangerous now. So many corona is going to
Exactly.
hospital.
Exactly. So they
And
got only few people.
my also visiting time is going. I have to go hospital, but I am afraid to go. Okay, I'm not necessary. I'm controlling my blood diabetic. That is good for me.
Okay.
Not necessary go to the hospital. And it is very difficult in Bengal. Now all the nurses came from Orissa and Manipur and Tripura. They are yesterday gone on 89, today on 89, and yesterday go on 95. More than almost 400 nurses they left for their own state. And all the big hospital is non-government hospital. Who is the big hospital like Apollo, like Peerless, like a big hospital, very big famous hospital in Calcutta, and now they will suffer. They have want of nurse.
Oh my God.
Very difficult. In this situation, Bengal is very difficult now. For that, is somebody is sick, other disease or cancer or kidney dialysis is very problem for them. If they are going to hospital, they are keeping with the COVID patient and they are automatically attacked by the COVID.
Maharaj, if Vishnu Prabhu only came for 1 month, now he can get citizenship in India. Seems.
No, Maharaj. No.
Vishnu is there.
Dandavad.
Vishnu is making chapati.
No, they are all upstairs. They're all upstairs.
All upstairs.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. There is Sannyasi Maharaj.
Is okay, Maharaj? Sannyasi Maharaj?
Yes, little better. Krishna Sundari, Dhanishta. Dhanishta is there. Paribradak Maharaj. And Sajjan Maharaj. You see, they are after all. I am keeping that only social distance, but not mental distance. Any other question, anybody? Today I am closing. And then next Sunday.
We can say
we lost some time, Maharaj, because of the Zoom problem.
Yes. Hariyananda, what question?
If we can sing Sri Rupa Manjari in the temple, in the house.
Yes, what not? Why not? Sri Rupa Manjari Pada, ei moro sampada, ei moro bhajana pujan. Yes. It is separation song. You can sing. What problem? No problem. That is the no problem. Sri Rupa Manjari Pada, ei moro sampada, ei moro bhajana pujan. It is very separate feelings, separation song. From the Srila Rupa Goswami, Sri Rupa Manjari. Actually, separation is our, that is always when I see, when I can serve to our Guru, when I can see the Lord, when I can make happy my Guru, that is always have to think. We have to think in this way. Kabe Sri Chaitanya more koriben daya, kabe ami paibo Vaishnava pada chaya, kabe ami charibo e bishay abhiman, kabe ami Vishnu jane koribo সম্মান, গলবস্ত্র কৃতাঞ্জলি বৈষ্ণব নিকটে, দন্তে তৃণ করি দাঁড়াইব নিষ্কপটে. Is always thinking, এমনও দুর্মতি সংসার ভিতরে পড়িয়া আছিনু আমি. গুরুদেব's favorite song. তব নিজ জন কোন মহাজনে পাঠাইয়া দিলে তুমি, একবার দয়া করি মোরে পতিত দেখিয়া, কহিল আমারে গিয়া, ওহে দিনজন শুনো ভালো কথা, উল্লসিত হবে তোমারে তারিতে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য নবদ্বীপে অবতার, তোমা হেন কত দিন হীন জনে করিলেন ভবপার. ভেরি নাইস সং, ভেরি নাইস. আমারও জীবন সদা পাপে রত, নাহিক পূর্ণের রস, পরের উদ্বেগ দিয়াছি যে কত, দিয়াছি জীবের ক্লেশ, নিজ সুখ লাগি পাপে নাহি ডরি, দয়াহীন স্বার্থপর, পর সুখে দুঃখী সদা মিথ্যা ভাসি, পর দুঃখ অশেষ কামনায় হৃদি মাঝে মোর ক্রোধী দম্ভ পরায়, মরদেবত্ব সদা. ভেরি নাইস, ভেরি নাইস, লাইক দিস. অলওয়েজ সিঙ্গিং. তৃণাদিক হীনদিন অকিঞ্চন ছাড়, আপনি মানবী সদা ছাড়ি অহংকার, বৃক্ষ সম ক্ষমাগুণ করবি সাধন, প্রতিহিংসা তেজি অন্য করবি পালন, জীবন নির্ভয় আনি উদ্বেগ না দিবে, পরই উপকারে নিজ সুখ পাস. অলওয়েজ সিঙ্গিং, অলওয়েজ রিমেম্বারিং, ওহে বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর দয়ার সাগর, এদাসে করুণা দিয়া পদ ছায়া, সদ হে আমারে তোমারও চরণ. ভেরি নাইস নাইস সং ইউ সিঙ্গিং. নিতাই পদ কমল কোটি চন্দ্র সুশীতল. When Gurudev is making his operation and we are crying in the outside in the hospital, and he is that they are taking to in the hospital, that what is called trolley, artificial trolley, something, taking the nurse, taking to the operation theatre, and Gurudev is singing. Gurudev told, why you are crying? He stopped to us, Jamuna and myself was there, And he stopped to us and he is telling, why you are crying? And he is singing, Nitai Pada Kamalo, Koti Chandra Sushitalo, Je Chayai Jagato Jurai. And Nitai Bine Bhai Radha Krishna Paitenai. Diro Kori Dharo Nitai Pai. Se Sambandha Nahi Jar Britha Janma Gelo Tar Sei Pashu Boro Durachar. Nitai na bolilo mukhe mojilo sangsar sukhe vidya kule ki koribe অহংকারে মত্ত হইয়া নিতাই পদ পাশরিয়া অসত্যের সত্য করিব নিতাইয়ের করুণা হবে ব্রজে রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাবে ধরণী তার চরণ নিতাইয়ের চরণ সত্য তাহার সেবক নিত্য নিতাই পদ সদা কবাস very nice this singing very nice song you practice every day singing with hand claps kirtan like this can do it is very nice for you every day Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki Jai. Next Sunday we will explain about Raya Ramananda Sangvad. The Chaitanya Charitamrita, two things, the Rup Shikha, Sanatan Shikha and Ramananda Sangvad, two things. Very Chaitanya Charitamrita is the very exclusive things, very important things. This Raya Ramananda Sangvad and Rup Shikha, Sanatan Shikha. If you read that, that is good for you. Ke ami kena more jareta putra e koi se hitay sadhya bostu ki kolo that is sadhya sadhan tattva nahi jani kripa kori karo he amar Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai Pranam Sankirtan ki jai Sanagat Sri Gaur Bhakta Vrinda ki jai Jayam Vishnupad Jagat Vishnu Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj ki jai all the sannyasi vrindo ki joy, all the assembled devotees ki joy, all the worldwide devotees ki joy. Sri Chaitanya Saraswati Math worldwide ki joy. Chaitanya Saraswati Krishnanushilana Sangho ki joy. I am praying to everybody, everybody will overcome and as it is, we can join to the program and practicing properly. And survive your family. You have children, you have wife, you have good husband, good wife, you have good children, taking proper practicing Krishna consciousness, and you have more and more devotion will come to your life and more practicing energy will get. That is I am praying to my Guru. Jai Srila Guru Ditai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
Jai Om Vishukal Premanande